While you are driving the vehicle, it is more helpful to have a good radio signal, especially when driving far from the city. In such a situation, the main issue is the weak FM signals. However, this small gadget will be the best solution to boost the FM radio signals. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Stay with SetNFix. This FM radio signal amplifier, and it is to be supplied 12 volts. There is a radio antenna connector and the output is to be connected with the factory car radio antenna. This is how to connect the input of signals from radio antenna, and other side connects with the car antenna. This is the power supply wire, and you can see the amplifier is secured with a fuse. In order to test this unit, I am going to power on the car stereo system using a power supply. As you already aware that, you have to connect the battery wire and the accessories wire together. Then, I connected the power supply wire of the FM signal amplifier as well. This is the ground wire. Then I connected the power supply to the ground and the 12-volt wires. When you connect with this car, it is suitable to connect the supply wire with accessories connector. This place has weak radio signals. Now I am connecting the radio antenna without the booster. Now shall we start searching radio channels? I am searching the channels by using auto search mode, as there will be a reasonable result to compare. Search is started from 87.5 MHz to 108 MHz. However, without the booster, it was only 3 channels detected. In order to compare, shall we remove the antenna and connect the FM radio signal amplifier? When the power is supplied to FM radio signal amplifier, there is a LED to indicate that the unit is activated. Now I connected the same external antenna to the booster. It's time to start the auto search the radio channels. The searching was started from 85.5 MHz, and you can see how the radio is detecting radio channels. If you notice that, the band 1 was full and the rest saved on the second band. There are around 12 channels, and it is more than 400% compared to the radio channels detected without the FM radio signal amplifier. As usually, I am going to check the inside of the FM radio signal booster. It will be more fun and informative to all of electronic innovators. There is no screws, you just need to pry the plastic cover. Once the plastic cover is opened, you can see the circuit board. The components are covered with a metal plate. The reason for the metal cover is to prevent from unnecessary noises. We need to remove the metal cover to see the electronic components. Once the metal cover is removed, you can see the electronic components of the radio signal booster. Shall we check the part with a close look? There is a component with 4 pins. It may be an IC and seems to be the main part. And next to the 4-pin thing, you can see a printed coil. When you check the entire board, you can see lot of resistors, capacitors, and inductors. They have used a 78L05 SMD regulator to step down the 12 volts to 5 volts. Those are the parts of car FM radio signal amplifier. I am using this booster and I have experience about 5 years. The same unit is performing well without failure. I hope this video is helpful to reveal about car FM signal booster. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you with another video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.